Okay, let's try this out. I don't know how well this is gonna go, but Blue Apron said I should video uh, making the spice rubbed pork with sweet red onions and black beans to win a really cool contest. So I'm gonna try it. They also said cut out this microphone. I don't know why, but I did that, and I don't know if I'm supposed to hold this the whole time or not. And it probably doesn't matter because you may not see me. I just kind of generally pointed the camera this way, so hopefully we can kind of figure out what's going to go on. But we're going to go through each one of these steps, and I haven't made this yet, so hopefully it's not a huge embarrassing disaster. We have our pork roast, black beans, 2 cloves of garlic. They gave us a whole thing of garlic, but maybe we'll add 3. Cilantro. Where's the cilantro? We got cilantro. Oh my goodness, 2 of these red sweet onions. Should we open this bag now? Let's see what's inside. Okay, spice blend for the pork, perfect. Ooh, brown sugar. This should be good. Light brown sugar. Butter, honey, apple cider vinegar. They put this in a lot. Peel 1 onion half lengthwise, then cut crosswise into 1-inch thick pieces. Okay, good. There are pictures there. Might be easy to small dice the small one. We'll half it and then cut crosswise. You know, I always feel foolish because when it says half lengthwise, I don't know exactly what that means. But okay, we'll see. Washing. Peel, peel, peel. Definitely cutting this part out. Peel! Says it takes 10 minutes of prep. We'll see how long it takes me. Is anybody crying yet? I'm doing this wrong, right? I'm gonna cut it this way and then this way. That's kind of what it looks like in the picture. In the comments to this YouTube, please tell me what lengthwise and crosswise mean. I made my first mistake. Okay, now 1 inch. That's about 1 inch, right? That's roughly 1 inch. Okay. Those are our onions cut incorrectly. I didn't show it on camera, but I washed this one just now. My eyes are giving out. I'm crying really bad, and I have allergies. So watch live as I cut one of my fingers off. I like using the whole of this cutting board so I can kind of aim where this goes. Can other people do this in 10 minutes? I've never come close. Almost done with this onion. Diced onion as best as I can do. Such a cathartic experience usually with onions. Next step. Peel and roughly chop the garlic. Okay. Ooh, there's a winner. This is a big one. And oh, here we go. There's that. And you know what? It says 2. Let's do 3. I can't get my fingers on the. Almost ready to do a line. I accidentally got a piece of garlic stuck in my nose just now. Hopefully that doesn't pose a problem for the rest of the week. Next step. Oh, we're almost done with the first step. Drain and rinse the beans. Hey, that doesn't sound too bad. My can opener's not very good. It doesn't have one of those things. Best by 227. Oh, 2020. Okay, good. Good beans. Soap? No soap? Did it say rinse or did it say wash? Finely chop the cilantro leaves and stems. Okay. Hey, you know what the best thing about Blue Apron is? Well, this isn't the best thing, but the things I look forward to is when stuff comes like this, so I don't need to find a bowl for this. I can put it on the cutting board, and then I'm like, oh, I'll just put it back in here, and I don't need this extra bowl for stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Finely chopped. Chop, 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 chop. I know I'm not cutting right, okay? I just go with instinct on this one, alright? Oh, cilantro smells so good. Not as fun to eat. Cilantro. Step 1. We're done. Line sheet pan with aluminum foil. Tap the pork dry with paper towels. Well, foil's not totally the right size, but whatever. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Paper towel pat. Dry, dry, dry this pork. I got the rights to that song. Season on all sides with salt, pepper, and the spice blend. Son of a Glaven! You didn't see it, it was off camera. I just knocked over the garlic. Now I have to scoop it back in. Good thing we cut 3 things of garlic and not just 2. My fingers are all messed up. They cannot, for the life of me, get this open. Yeah! Okay, all the spice blend, right? Okay. We got this. Spice pork. Oops. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil on medium-high until hot. Here's my olive oil. I know the package is melted. Yes, I left it on the oven one day while the oven was on and the olive oil melted, but there's still olive oil in here. Did it say 1 teaspoon? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, no, just in case. Some of it evaporates. I don't know. Okay. It doesn't make as much sizzle as I wanted it to. How do you tell if oil's hot? You just put your finger in it? Place the sliced onion in a medium bowl. I've got a bowl that's specifically medium. This little tiny bowl doesn't help. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. I found that, I don't know, a good 70% of all Blue Apron recipes are olive oil and salt and pepper. It's the one thing they don't send. Okay, drizzle with olive oil, pepper. Ah, shoot. Maybe I should have added the salt first. That's what it said. We gotta turn this thing. Okay, this is where it gets crazy. This is where, okay, I'm gonna start searing this side now. Bad at searing. I don't know, searing? I don't have another hand to do the pepper twist thing. Gonna put it against my body. Hopefully not drop it onto the seared pork. And my stomach is about to catch fire. Fine. Okay. We'll mix that later. Oh my gosh. Fire alarm could be at any moment now. It's a race against time. Against the smoke detector. Okay. Has it been 5 minutes? Who knows? Gonna put the pork in one side of the foil pan. Getting spice blend coughs. Okay, so this guy goes in oven. Whoosh. Here we go. So hot in this kitchen now after that cooking. Okay. Step 4. Where does step 4? Caramelize the diced onion. While the pork and onion roast in a small pot, heat the butter on medium-high until melted. Okay. Look at that guy go. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so melted. Okay, adding the onions. Whoa, holy cow! We're doing that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, we season with salt and pepper. Are you kidding me? Salt, pepper. Cook stirring occasionally 3 to 4 minutes or until lightly browned and slightly softened. Okay, we can do that. There's a little bit of brown sugar in there because I didn't read ahead. But okay, let's do this. Let's do what it says. Can you even see me? I don't even know. Yeah, actually, maybe if it's cutting off the top of my head, that's good because I'm bald as a bat. Add the brown sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Hey, it didn't say I need water before, but okay, fine. Cook stirring occasionally 11 to 13 minutes. Oh, hey, it's 10 minutes on the other timer, so they kind of coincide. That's perfect. Perfect. I'm actually going to switch burners here. And... Oh. Yeah! Holy cow, that's a hot handle. I should have... how did that get so hot? Whatever. Okay, so hot handle here. Okay, we're switching off. That's the pan of frond. Heat the pan of reserve frond on medium-high until hot. Okay, good. It's pretty hot. Add the garlic and season with salt and pepper. What? Pepper. Salt. Add the beans, season with salt and pepper. Again? Again with the salt and pepper. Beans, adding. Pepper, 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 salt, 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 salt. Honey. Get in there. Come on. Get in. Everything else in here is 90 degrees. Why are you going so slow? Get in. Half the vinegar. Oh, and a half cup of water. We need another half of water. Season with salt and pepper. We gotta season with salt and pepper again. Okay. Holy cow. And the timer went off. That means the stuff comes out of the oven and that goes off at the same time. You get salt and pepper. And you get salt and pepper. Okay. Okay. It's come together now. And then this thing is here, the camera. Drizzle the roasted onion with half the vinegar. Season with salt and pepper to taste. I want to point out that step 5 says season with salt and pepper right here. Season with salt and pepper right here. Season with salt and pepper here. Season with salt and pepper. 4 times. There are 4 times we have to season with salt and pepper in step 5. So, well, they never turn out bad, so I guess I can't complain. Let's turn the oven off, blaming out loud. Oh man, it's hot in here. Where's the step 6? The diced onion is the caramelized one, of course. Yeah. You get caramelized onion in the beans. Okay, and we add a quarter of the cilantro. No. No. There. Thinly sliced crosswise against the grain. If only I had smell-o-vision on this phone. La 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 la. Onion on top. And cilantro. No more salt and pepper? I guess not. Okay. Finished. Here we go. It's done. I apologize for the lighting in here, and I apologize for the way I look, but this looks really great, right? Looks really great. Haven't tried it yet. Let's give it a go. There's a big chunk of caramel of the cooked onion in there. Brooke, you've outdone yourself. This is tremendous. This is a really good meal. I like it a lot. Thank you very much. I think that's the ending.